Tomorrow, a special district level program has been organized at Menezes Braganza Hall at 11 a.m. in the morning for distribution of Sanads and ownership rights certificates to different beneficiaries under the Mhaje Ghar scheme. So these beneficiaries have been issued the orders and Sanads under different schemes and across different talukas. So all the beneficiaries will be coming to the venue where the program will be conducted. Honorable CM sir, other dignitaries including MLAs, ministers would be attending the program along with concerned officials, deputy collectors, mamlatdars, where these certificates would be issued. Apart from this special drive, separate camps would also be conducted across different talukas and villages, where we would then subsequently issue the orders and sanads under the scheme. So through the press media, I wanted to make the citizens aware that such a drive is being conducted in the district, and more such events would be subsequently conducted. Thank you.
So how many this thing will be given for beneficiaries?
So for tomorrow's program, now we have issued more than 1,000 beneficiaries. More than 1,000 orders have been issued, and many such applications are also. We have received many such applications, and Honorable CM sir had also reviewed, and we are also from our level are reviewing the progress on a monthly basis and on weekly basis, and now we are focusing on ensuring that across all the schemes, whether it is RUCA or any other component, we are issuing the final orders in a time-bound manner. So regularly, I am also reviewing on a weekly basis this performance, and all the applications being disposed in a time-bound manner.
Any proper detail about how many Kamundat lands or government lands?
So I have the exact data. I will prepare an abstract and give the data subsequently. Till now, more than 1,000 applications have been already disposed of, and many are under process.
Sir, is there any complaint regards to Kamundat for issuing certificate or anything?
No, that is now we have not received any complaint as of now, in the sense that it's already SOP and process has been defined, and we are following this process through an act and through procedure. A proper procedure has been laid down, and we are following the proper procedure. Okay.
So it can be transferred without a Kamundat university?
No, so the main focus of today's VC was to brief the media regarding the tomorrow's program. Regarding the specific aspects, I can separately, my officers are there and we can separately discuss regarding the individual aspects, what are the provisions, already clear SOPs laid down. So rather than going into the details of each scheme component wise, it is that can be separately done also. I can brief you separately regarding all the aspects. All SOPs have been clearly laid down basically.
So since the monsoon
monsoon preparedness has already been done, and we are regularly reviewing. All control rooms have been activated, and twice I have also taken a disaster management meeting, and at the state disaster management level also meeting has been taken, and that work is also being continuously done.
And the road cutting permissions?
That under 163 order has been issued for prohibition, and PWD has also said that from 15th May onwards road cutting shall.
No permissions.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.